In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove dots from a table of contents in Microsoft Word. If you've ever created a table of contents and noticed the dotted lines stretching between your headings and page numbers, you might have wondered how to get rid of them for a cleaner look. Those dots, known as tab leaders, are helpful in some documents, but in formal reports, academic papers, or business files, you may prefer a more minimal and polished appearance. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to remove them. To begin, open your Microsoft Word document. Word makes it incredibly easy to generate a table of contents automatically, especially when you've properly applied heading styles throughout your document. Once your file is open, look at the ribbon at the top of the screen and click on the References tab. This section contains all the tools you need for citations, captions, footnotes, and, most importantly for us, the Table of Contents feature. Inside the References tab, select Table of Contents. From the drop-down menu, you can choose one of the built-in styles to insert a standard table of contents if you haven't already added one. Go ahead and insert it for practice if needed. After it appears, you'll likely see dotted lines connecting each heading to its corresponding page number. These are the tab leaders we're going to remove. Click anywhere inside the table of contents. When you do, a border will appear around it, confirming that it's selected. With the table highlighted, return to the Table of Contents option under the References tab, and this time choose Custom Table of Contents. A dialog box will open, giving you several formatting options to personalize the appearance of your table. Within this dialog box, look for the setting labeled Tab Leader. This is where the dots are controlled. You'll see different styles available, such as dots, dashes, or solid lines. To remove the dots completely, open the Tab Leader dropdown and choose None. This will eliminate the leader characters while keeping your headings and page numbers properly aligned. Once you've made that selection, click OK to apply the changes. Your table of contents will immediately update, and the dotted lines will be gone, leaving a clean and professional layout. That's all it takes. With just a few simple adjustments, you can refine the appearance of your document and make it look more polished and formal. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.